In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence Live Docs. A live doc is a fast, lightweight canvas in Confluence that auto-saves as you type and can later be converted into a full page when you're ready. Let's walk through creating one, collaborating with others, using templates and macros, and converting it when the draft is solid. First, open your Confluence workspace in your browser and sign in. From the home screen, select Create. In the Creation menu, choose Live Doc. This opens a blank document that behaves like a real-time note or draft space, perfect for quick brainstorming or capturing meeting notes without worrying about publishing. Give your live doc a clear, descriptive name so teammates can recognize it easily later. A simple naming convention like project, topic, date keeps things organized and searchable. If you want to collaborate, click Share. In the sharing panel, review general access to confirm whether only specific people can view it or if your organization has broader access. Adjust this to match your needs. Then add collaborators by typing an email address or selecting a guest. When the right person or group appears in the suggestions, click it to add them. You can also tailor their permissions so people who only need to read don't accidentally change content, while editors can contribute freely. To speed up formatting, open all templates if you'd like a structured starting point. Things like meeting notes, decision logs, or project briefs. Templates help you keep consistency across your workspace. As you write, type a / to open the command palette and insert macros. This is a quick way to add elements like tables, task lists, dates, or other dynamic content that enriches your doc without breaking your flow. When your live doc evolves into something you want to publish formally, click More Actions in the top right. Choose Convert to Page, then confirm Convert to Page. This promotes your draft into a standard Confluence page so you can place it in a space hierarchy, add labels, and leverage page-level features and governance. It's a smooth handoff from quick drafting to long-term documentation. One key difference to remember, Live Docs automatically save your work as you type. There's no publish step or risk of losing changes. You'll typically see a saved indicator as confirmation, which makes Live Docs ideal for real-time collaboration and rapid note-taking. That's it. Open Confluence, create a live doc, name it, share with the right people, use templates and macros to work faster, and convert it to a page when you're ready to formalize it.